thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you are all doing well. Today we're opening up a bi-monthly subscription I absolutely love called Brown Paper Packages. It's in this big box here. So like I said, it's bi-monthly, which means it comes every other month. I love bi-monthly subscriptions. I know I say this every time I open one, but I just think it's really great because it gives you some time to use your products in between boxes, and also you spend a little bit less money. So Brown Paper Packages is based out of Canada, but they do ship to the US. So when you're on their website, which I'll link down below, all the prices will be in Canadian dollars, but I did the conversion, so it's about $45 every other month US dollars. So I'll leave all that information down below, and yeah, let's get this April box open and see what's inside. It is a lifestyle subscription. There's usually a theme every box, so let's see what it is. And seriously, every time I open this box, I get that one song from Sound of Music in my head. They always have such a great presentation when you open up the box too. Oh my god, this looks so adorable and so spring-like. Like there's a tulip, there's like pastel colored tissue, a little butterfly. I usually save a lot of the stuff from the box. Well, I try and do that with all of my boxes actually, but like, look how cute this is. Tulips are one of my favorite flowers. And there's a pamphlet on top that talks about everything inside. So it says the April and May 2020 box, and the theme is April showers bring May flowers. And this off. Oh my god, I wonder if I can somehow save this cute little butterfly sticker. Here, I'll just rip it off to show you guys. I try and save the tissue, but this is too cute. Here's a little butterfly sticker I was talking about. And everything's tied up in brown string, so let me get this open. Oh, and I just moved my light. This is a sneak peek of what is inside underneath the tissue. I am just gonna grab the first thing I see. So it's this cute little bag that holds whatever is inside. And again, there's that cute butterfly sticker. And this bag is so cute. Definitely have to reuse this. They seriously put so much thought and detail into the packaging, as you'll continue to see. Oh, and inside here we have two items from Stray Cosmetics, or at least one of them is. So, or Stray Cat Cosmetics. They originally launched with this box a few boxes ago. So it looks like we have a blush here, and here's a lipstick as well. Let me get these open. So the blush, it says Mineral Cream Blush, and the shade is Petal. Oh, it is a cream. That looks like a really pretty color. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, I love that. It's like a very natural light pink color. You can see it here. Seems like it'll blend really well, like just even using your fingertips. So awesome. And then let's look at that lipstick, and then I'll get the pricing for you. So Tubo, wait, is that like French? Let me know. So you get, the shade name is Blossom matte lipstick. Here is the tube. Ooh, and this looks like a very pretty spring color as well. I love that shade. I have a feeling I will be getting a lot of use out of that. So let's see what it says inside here. So the lipstick, the Bold Lipstick in Blossom, has a retail value of $10, and it says this ultra soft lipstick is formulated with shea butter, vitamin E, and avocado oil, and it leaves lips moisturized, comfortable, and kissably soft. Paraben-free formula. And then the blush in Petal is $12, and it says the flowers will be jealous of the rosy glow this blush brings to your skin. Ultra lightweight formula imparts a dewy sheen. Apply with fingertips after moisturizing or foundation. Oilier skins can set with powder. So this duo together is called the Stray Cat Cosmetics Lighten Up Duo. This brand is Canadian made, it's all cruelty free, and they donate to animal charities, so I absolutely love that, which is amazing. So I'm so glad they keep being featured in the Brown Paper Packages boxes. But let's move on to the next item. Oh, every month they give us like a little extra thing. It seems like there might be some little, oh my god, yeah, the little like extra treat. And then there's a scrunchie. I see here it says Kristin June scrunchie. So let's get this open. I wear scrunchies all the time. I have one like right here, like always, like after I'm filming and then I start editing, I have to pull my hair back, and I just love scrunchies because they don't like really make my hair crease or mess up my like hairstyle or anything like that. And you can wear them on your wrist comfortably. Okay, like, is this not the cutest little thing ever? Easter's so soon. I'm gonna like put this downstairs and decorate. It's like the cutest little basket. Here is the little treat I was talking about. It's Smarties. So they're the same as like Smarties in the US. A lot of times they give us treats that are like Canadian treats, and it's so exciting because I haven't tried them before. But here's our scrunchie, and I love it. It is so cute. I will definitely get a lot of use out of this. I love scrunchies. So this is a special gift. It says, our gift to you, Kristin June scrunchies are handmade in Toronto, Canada, using recycled fabrics that would otherwise go into landfills. That's great. So this is their extra treat. So we got the scrunchie, this freaking cute little like chicken, this smallest teeny little basket I've ever seen. I'm holding it up like to my hand so you guys can see how little teeny it is. So cute. And a little snack. So that's so cute. They always add a little gift. I think that is so sweet of them. So let's move on to the next item. It's in this blue drawstring bag. So there's multiple things in here. So we have a soap and a hand and body lotion. So let's start with the soap. So this is by Artisan Baths. This is their Pear and Lily soap. It's handmade and vegan. Cruelty-free. So this is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. Oh, it smells good too. It smells super good. I don't want to take it out of the wrapping yet just because I just opened a soap, but I am so grateful to be getting soap because I feel like I've been using it a lot more, especially washing my hands and stuff. I mean, all over the world we are. I won't even get into that. And then let's talk about the lotion that comes with it. The Artisan Baths Pear and Lilies Hand and Body Lotion. Again, handmade and vegan. So I love how the scents are coordinated so you can wash up in the shower or wash your hands, whatever you choose to do with your soap. And then you'll have that good smell. And if you're like me, you always like to moisturize after you bathe or wash your hands, and you can still have the same scent. So we get 4 fluid ounces in here. Let's take a sniff. It smells so good. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands now. I've noticed just from washing my hands even more than usual, my like cuticles are a little rough looking and my hands are a little bit more dry. Oh, I forgot I had some lipstick and blush on my hand, but this smells so good and it's such a nice spring scent. Nice. So where is this? So the Artisan Baths Shower Duo has a retail value of $16 and it says, be as fresh as a spring air with this delicious lily and pear scented soap and body lotion. It's Canadian made, cruelty free, and vegan. Oh, next up it looks like we have a cute umbrella. So this is like the umbrella cover. And yay, the umbrella matches. This is so cute and totally goes with the theme of like April showers bring May flowers. We've had like 0 rain in Florida. Bring on the rain, please. But this is by Incognito and it has some care instructions here. I love the design and the colors of this. So cute. So this has a retail value of $18 and it says, what's an April showers box without an umbrella? Fulton Umbrellas holds a royal warrant to Her Majesty the Queen and are regularly used by the British royal family. This umbrella is extremely compact and lightweight with a wind-resistant frame. Cute pastel heart design will have you singing in the rain when skies get gray. And this is from a locally owned Canadian distributor. Next, I'm not sure what this is. It kind of looks like it could be like a shirt. Let's put it up. Oh. It's like a cape, I think. This is why I thought it was a shirt because I saw this right here. So it's like a lightweight, like spring colored, like cape. Is that what you would call it? Cape or shawl? They have it called here a spring cover. Okay. So this here has a $22 retail value. It says throw this ultra light cover on top of any outfit to add a dash of pastel color. It can also be used as a beach cover up in the summer months, and this is from a locally owned Canadian distributor. This would be perfect for over bathing suit, especially here in Florida, but also it's not just here. Soon we'll have nice weather everywhere and hopefully we'll all be able to go outside and enjoy it. Yay, the next item, I love how they always include these. This is by Gourmet du Village. This is a mojito mix. There's 3 servings in here. So this gives you all the ingredients besides the alcohol to make yummy drinks, and we get one in all the boxes. So yum, I want a mojito like right now. So this is $6. It says put a spring in your step with this month's cocktail. Add mojito mix to white rum and crushed ice. Top with club soda and a sprig of fresh mint. And this is locally owned in Canada. That sounds so refreshing and good. You know, I like am home a lot normally, like with this whole like social distancing thing, but the one thing I do miss is like going out for a nice cocktail, but now I can make a nice cocktail at home. And the last item, I think it's the last item in here, it's definitely the largest item, is a purse. Oh my god, I love the color of this bag. How would you even describe this? It's like a water green, sea green. Is that how they say it? It has like some studs here. Oh my god, this is so cute. There's a zipper pocket in the back, and then on the inside there is, well, there's a zipper closure for the entire bag. There's a smaller zipper compartment, and then 2 open compartments on the inside. I don't have a bag this color. Oh, this is super cute. So let's find this. This is the mint daiquiri bag. Okay, like, yeah, it is a mint green. Okay, now I got it. This is $40, and it says, add a hint of this season's hottest color to your whites, creams, or any neutrals you choose. This faux leather handbag goes from day to evening, and it's from a Canadian-owned distributor. This is so unique to my bag collection. If you guys watch my channel, you know I get a bag every month from Balzano, so I do have a lot of bags, but not this color, and it is totally giving me spring vibes, and I think it's super cute, and it can fit a lot in there. So yeah, and that was the last item. So I think overall this was a really good box. I love how they stay so on theme. The Hutch sisters who do this brown paper packages subscription, they always like have a theme, like I said, and they always stick with it so well, and even the packaging goes with the theme. So I'm trying to think what my favorite is. I mean, that purse is beautiful. I love the scent of the soap and the lotion. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of that. And the makeup, the Duo by Stray Cat Cosmetics, those colors are perfect for spring, and so colors I love to wear. Now I am really wanting a mojito. I'm about to pull my hair up in this scrunchie. Umbrella. Hopefully soon it'll start raining in Florida. I mean, if it doesn't soon, summers in Florida are super rainy. You know, monsoon season, you can even say. But yeah, I think this was a great box. So again, I am going to link them down below if you are interested. Check out their website. They have other things for sale there too. Like they have like surprise mystery boxes and stuff like that. So definitely check out their site. It's pretty awesome. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item was. But anyways, I hope you are all well and safe. I love you so much. Sending positive vibes your way, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.